In every GP dental practice, there is a need to keep patients coming back. Whether it's for their next cleaning or for a restorative case, someone needs to contact the patient to say, "When can you come in and have this work done?" This is easy when there aren't many patients to keep track of. It gets a lot harder when you have thousands of patients. When patients who need treatment are forgotten about and therefore aren't contacted to come in for their needed visits, we say that those patients have fallen through the cracks. But it's not just the patients who have fallen through the cracks, it's also money that's falling through the cracks, money the office is losing or is not earning. And of course, it's lost opportunities to maintain or improve patients' oral health. ABELDent uses contacts to ensure that absolutely no patient treatment falls through the cracks. The term contact is an ABLE term, not a term of standard dentistry. So what is the definition of a contact? A contact is any recommended treatment that hasn't been scheduled yet. Think of it as a reminder to contact the patient about their unscheduled treatment. And ABELDent makes sure that most contacts for needed treatment are created without you even having to think about it, for all the common reasons patients need a new visit, like recalls, cancellations, and no-shows, any pre-Ds that are created. And for those who are using electronic charting, contacts are easily created when you have a treatment plan in the chart tab. Now, if the only thing that happened was that ABELDent created these contacts and then they were never looked at again, well then they wouldn't be much use, would they? Of course not. That's why ABELDent makes it easy to search for and organize these contacts. This feature is called the Treatment Manager. When you open up the Treatment Manager, the information is all there for you to take it and fill up your schedule with it. Let's talk about what your Treatment Manager can do. Well, the first thing it does is let you search for all those contacts that are in your ABELDent. And you can search for unbooked treatment in whatever way you need to. You can search by the date of the contact or the due date, which are not necessarily the same thing. You could search for contacts only for a specific provider, or type of appointment, or canceled appointments, even so specific as how they were canceled, with or without notice, or just didn't show up. When you create a contact search you expect to perform often, you can save that search by clicking this button here. Name it, and that search is saved for your use in the future every time you need it. When you select a patient's contact, you see all of the information about her appointment, and you can also see her contact information on the right. All of her family members' contacts and future appointments are also shown, so that you have all the information you need when speaking to the patient, not only about her, but everyone in her family as well. This way, for example, you could be speaking to a parent and book her appointment and each of her children's as well. If you can't reach the patient, you can record a note here. You can update the patient's phone numbers and email here. You can edit the contact if the patient can't book for some reason. And if you do reach the patient, of course, you can make the appointment right from here. Very convenient. ABELDent's Treatment Manager. Everything you need to know about your unbooked treatment in one convenient screen, allowing you to stay organized and keep your scheduler full.